The test case class provides a number of assert methods that you can use in your test cases. We already explained how an assert works. If you missed it, please refer to lecture Assert versus Verify from the Overview of Selenium IDE section. Let's use an assert in a test case. Let's open Sublime Text and drag and drop assert title.py into Sublime Text. Now, what this test case does here is navigate to travelingtony.weebly.com and assert that the title is Traveling Tony's Photography Welcome. Let's run this test. And the test passed. Now, let's simulate the case where the assertion failed. I'm just going to change the title here from Traveling Tony's Photography to Traveling, let's say, John. Save this and let's rerun the test. Now you see an assertion error in the log, which will help you identify the error quickly. Next, I'm going to show you how to group your test cases into a test suite.